Hi friends, this is Brooke from Urban Paper Crafter, and I'm super excited today to show you this beautiful new album that I just finished in our Graphic 45 class at the virtual trade show for retailers. This album was designed by Ginger Rupp of My Sister's Scrapper. Many of you are probably familiar with her because she does amazing mini albums. So in this class, you're going to get the brand new folio, the Trifold waterfall folio album. That is one of their new staples for this release, and you're going to get an entire collection kit for Catch of the Day, which is the newest collection. Let me give you a quick peek through this one. So we've got a tuck pocket here, we have some pull aparts in here, you've got another little pocket right here. When you open it up, there's a pocket, a giant pocket right here. You could put a number of different things in there. You've also got a horizontal waterfall and you have a vertical waterfall. So there's lots and lots of parts. Mine is decorated relatively simply because it's just done with paper. However, in your kit, your collection kit, you have stickers as well. So there's lots of ways that you can make this one even more interesting. So be sure to register early because we do have a little bit of savings for you, okay? And I need to make sure that I get enough of the product ordered because I do think this is going to be really, really popular. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. It will most likely be available sometime in late February, give or take. I don't know that we have an exact date yet. Okay, you guys, we'll talk to y'all soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.